Welcome to Destination Perfect. I'm thrilled to have you join me on this adventure. Today we're exploring Bellagio, Italy, often called the Pearl of Lake Como for its stunning beauty and timeless charm. Get ready for a journey through lush gardens, ancient alleys, and hidden courtyards, secret corners that truly capture the magic and romance of Italy. Let's dive into the 17 must-visit places in Bellagio and discover what makes this lakeside gem so unforgettable. Our first stop, Villa Melzi Gardens, a place where history, art, and nature blend seamlessly on the shores of Lake Como. Step inside, and you're immediately surrounded by botanical beauty. Every plant, every winding path, and every sculpted hedge carefully designed to complement the sparkling lake. Built for a duke in the early 1800s, this garden is a living masterpiece of tranquility and color. In spring, azaleas and rhododendrons burst into bloom, painting the landscape with vibrant hues. Stroll under ancient trees that have witnessed centuries of history, past serene Japanese ponds and peaceful water features that invite quiet reflection, and discover hidden marble statues and charming chapels tucked away among the greenery, each with its own story to tell. Villa Melzi is the perfect introduction to Bellagio's timeless elegance and natural beauty. If you're seeking peace, inspiration, or just a moment to pause, don't skip it. Next, we arrive at Villa Serbelloni Park, Bellagio's sky-high wonder, perched high above the village and surrounded by lush greenery. This sprawling estate sits atop the promontory, offering panoramic views you'll never forget. From here, the world seems to open up, with Lake Como shimmering below and the mountains rising in the distance. Guided tours lead you through wild olive groves and cypress trees, winding along peaceful paths where history and nature blend seamlessly. Along the way, glimpses of the sparkling lake tease you through the foliage, inviting you to pause and take in the beauty at every turn. At the summit, the entire Y-shaped Lake Como and the distant snow-capped Alps unfold before you in a breathtaking panorama. It's the postcard view you came for, the one that captures the magic of Lake Como in a single glance. This is Bellagio at its most breathtaking, where every view feels like a dream come to life. Now, let's get lost in Bellagio's old town. Wander steep cobblestone alleys lined with colorful buildings, artisan shops, and cozy cafes. The aromas of fresh bread, coffee, and Italian cooking fill the air. Follow your nose and find a spot to soak in the atmosphere. This is the soul of Bellagio, slow, charming, and utterly delightful. Punta Spartivento is where Lake Como splits, nature's grand stage. A short walk from town, this point offers a sweeping 180-degree panorama of water and mountains. Sit on a bench, watch ferries glide by, and take in the golden light as the sun sets. You'll see Verona and Menaggio across the water framed by the Alps. It's peaceful, powerful, and unforgettable. Don't miss this view. In the heart of Old Town stands the Basilica di San Giacomo, a Romanesque church from the 12th century. Step inside for cool, quiet serenity and centuries-old frescoes and mosaics. The atmosphere is humble, historic, and deeply moving. Whether you're religious or not, the artistry and sense of time are captivating. It's a spiritual anchor in lively Bellagio. Need a breather? Head to La Punta, a tranquil green space by the water. Sit at lake level, watch ducks and swans, and let the gentle waves calm your mind. Artists set up their easels here for good reason. The light and views are pure inspiration. Sometimes the quietest moments are the most memorable. La Punta is Bellagio's peaceful secret. Ready for some fun? Lido di Bellagio is the place. Lounge in the sun, swim in crystal-clear water, and enjoy the lively beach club vibe. There's a sandy area, a deck over the lake, and a great bar for food and drinks. As evening falls, the Lido transforms into a chic open-air club. Whether you want to relax or dance, this is Bellagio's glamorous side. Dive in! Don't miss Salita Serbelloni, Bellagio's iconic staircase. Climb past ivy-draped buildings, boutique shops, and inviting cafes. Every step is a photo opportunity, every corner a new delight. It's the heart of Old Town, bustling, beautiful, and full of life. Steep, but oh so sweet. Take a walk along the Bellagio waterfront promenade. This elegant, tree-lined path offers classic lake and mountain views, with grand hotels and lively cafes on one side. It's perfect for an evening stroll as the sun sets and lights shimmer on the water. Grab a gelato, find a bench, and watch the world go by. Simple, timeless Italian bliss. For a quieter side of Bellagio, visit Pescalo. This tiny fishing village is just minutes from town, but feels worlds away. Colorful houses, bobbing boats, and peaceful silence make it a hidden gem. Stroll the harbor and savor the serenity. San Giovanni is another authentic hamlet worth exploring. Centered around a Baroque church and sleepy square, it's a glimpse of real Italian life. Watch locals chat, kids play, and boats drift in the small harbor. Slow down and enjoy the genuine vibe. In San Giovanni, discover the Museo degli Strumenti per la Navigazione. This small museum is packed with beautiful navigation instruments, octants, telescopes, globes, collected by one passionate local. It's a fascinating, quirky stop that brings history and craftsmanship to life. A hidden treasure for curious minds. Need a break? Parco Martiri della Libertà is Bellagio's local park. Shady trees, green lawns, and lake views make it perfect for a picnic or a pause. Watch ferries come and go, or just relax like a local. Sometimes simple is best. The port of Bellagio is the town's lively hub. Ferries, crowds, and cafes create a buzz of energy and people watching. The scenery is classic boats, colorful buildings, and the lake as a backdrop. Spend some time here to feel the pulse of Lake Como. Torre delle Arti is Bellagio's medieval tower, now transformed into a vibrant art space at the heart of the town. Climb its ancient winding stairs to discover rotating exhibitions, creative workshops, and a variety of cultural events throughout the year. It's a unique blend of history and creativity, supporting talented local artists and offering inspiration to visitors. Check the schedule. There's always something new, and you might catch a concert, art show, or special performance. For a true taste of Italy, visit Enoteca Principessa. This cozy wine bar specializes in local Lombardy wines and delicious snacks. The owner's recommendations are always spot on, and the atmosphere is warm and friendly. Sip wine on the steps, chat with locals, and savor the moment. Salute to Bellagio. Don't miss Bellagio's local markets for a real taste of the region. Browse stalls overflowing with fresh produce, cheeses, olive oil, and handmade crafts. Sample, shop, and soak up the lively, authentic atmosphere. It's a feast for the senses and a perfect way to connect with local culture. The markets are a delicious finale to your Bellagio adventure. And that's our whirlwind tour of Bellagio's must-see spots. From gardens to hidden villages, wine bars to waterfront strolls, Bellagio is pure magic. If you loved this journey, hit like and subscribe for more perfect destinations. Share your Bellagio memories in the comments. I love hearing your stories. Until next time, keep exploring. Ciao for now.